Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the host application and enabling its overlay feature. This lets you layer content without altering the original app. Once done, import your prepared PNG or SVG assets so you control transparency and clarity. Make sure to assign a convenient hotkey for quick show/hide. It saves time. You should also pick a screen region to anchor the overlay so it won't shift when windows resize, because consistent placement prevents visual clutter and user confusion. You now arrange layers and tune appearance to fit the scene. Layer order matters because it determines what's visible on top. As you tweak opacity and scale, watch for readability and avoid covering key UI elements. Use snapping or guides to align at 16:9 or custom aspect ratios. If you need selective visibility, add a mask or clip region so only intended portions show. Finally, test responsiveness by resizing the window to ensure elements remain anchored where you finish by testing the overlay during real use to confirm visibility and performance. Try different resolutions and scene changes. Once satisfied, save a profile so you can reload the exact setup later and export the config as backup. If performance dips or graphics glitch, first toggle the overlay off and on and restart the host app. This often clears resource locks. If problems persist, make sure your GPU drivers are current and reduce refresh or resolution to lower CPU/GPU load.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.